Nararanasan ng Pilipinas at Taiwan ang matinding pinsala matapos manalasa ang super typhoon Kraithan sa kanilang ga teritoryo. Ang bagyong ito ay nagdala ng malakas na hagin at malalakas na pagulan, nagresulta sa malawakang pagbaha, pagkasira ng ga infrastruktura, at paglikas ng libo-libong resident. Sa Pilipinas, matinding napektuhan ang ga rihayan sa hilagang bahagi ng Luzon. Maraming tahanan ang nasara, at ilang panganayang kalsada ang hindi madanan dahil sa mga paguho ng lupa. Naitala rin ang pagkawala ng kuryente sa ilang lalawigan. Ang mga ahensyang pang-emergency ay patuloy na nagsasagawa ng mga operasyon upang magligtas ng mga na stranded at magbigay ng tulong sa mga apektado. Samantala, sa Taiwan, maluba rin ang pinsalang idinilat ng bagyo. Napilitang magsara ang mga paralan at opisina, at ang operasyon ng mga pampublikang transportasyon ay pansamantalang sinusbind. May mga ulating matatas na baha sa ilang urban areas, at ang mga otoridad ay naglabas ng babala para sa patuloy na paglangat ng mga mamamayan. Ang Super Typhoon Kraithan ay isa sa pinakamalakas na bagyong tumama sa rihayan ngayong taon. Patuloy ang koordinasyon ng mga pamahalaan ng Pilipinas at Taiwan sa mga relief efforts upang masigit ang mabilis na nagiging tulong ng mga napektuhan ng kalamidad. Headline: Super Typhoon Kraithan wreaks havoc on Philippines and Taiwan, islands left in chaos. Manila: Super Typhoon Kraithan struck a remote cluster of Philippine islands near Taiwan today, leaving widespread destruction in its wake. According to the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration, (GASA), the powerful storm has caused severe damage to infrastructure, while residents face power outages and disrupted communication lines. The typhoon, packing winds of over 200 kilometers per hour, uprooted trees, toppled vehicles, and destroyed houses across the islands, cutting them off from the mainland and leaving emergency responders struggling to assess the full extent of the damage. Many families have been left without shelter as entire communities were engulfed by Kraithan's devastating wind and torrential rain. In some coastal areas, massive storm surges triggered severe flooding, submerging roads and hampering rescue efforts. Government authorities have mobilized response teams to assist the affected population, but difficulties in reaching the islands due to damaged transportation routes are slowing progress. In Taiwan, the northern regions also bore the brunt of the typhoon, experiencing strong winds and heavy rains. Local officials have reported significant damage to crops and infrastructure, although no fatalities have been confirmed so far. As rescue efforts continue, authorities have urged people in both nations to remain vigilant, especially with after-effects like landslides posing additional threats. Kraithan is expected to move further westward, with meteorologists warning that any shifts in its path could pose further danger to nearby regions. Despite the chaos, local communities are rallying together in a bid to restore order and rebuild. However, with communication still down in many parts of the affected regions, the full scale of the disaster may take days to unfold.
Typhoon Kraithan, the storm's name, was last observed churning over the waters near Ballantyne Island, close to communities.